Okay, so I was actually just finishing up a print on my second printer. The other piece to the spool holder, which is a standard print that comes preloaded on these machines. And as you can see, I ran out of material midway through the print. This is the last of the introductory material that came with it, so we will pull out that PLA Basic, and I'm replacing it with the printed PLA spool that I printed on this printer with just basic PLA, and I'm going to replace it with a PLA Plus silver spool-less. And this was actually filament that I got at Microcenter. When I saw they had spool-less, I thought this would be a great opportunity to try out the filament holder, that model that came with it. And it was a great way to save, I want to say it saved $6 per kilogram on the filament cost, so fairly significant savings. I just gotta find a cutter here. Alright, so what we will do here is we're just going to load in some new filament. So right here it just tells you load in a new filament, and what you do is up here at the top you'll just feed it in, give it a little push, and it should start pulling it automatically. Now we can retry. Well, I'm a little bit sideways here. No, I think I loaded in the wrong side of the filament. Yeah, that's not good. One second, I gotta pause this. Alright, we got that maybe fixed. I am probably gonna have to learn how to load these spools better, because I have a feeling that's user error on my part. And I should have to go in here and change it. So I can't change it while it's printing. What if I pause it? Nope, I don't think it lets me change the material type mid-print, so let's see if we can get this to finish up with the existing settings. It's a PLA Plus, so it should be okay to print with the same settings. You just won't get quite the advantage of the higher speed. So let's hope that that lasts. We got about 2 hours left. So I'll come back down and check on this in a little bit. Well, for now,